Guys, welcome to another video of the Smart Money course, and this video is called how to do risk management. As a disclaimer, Forex contains risk of real money, so that's pretty much it. Now let's begin. In the previous video I showed you how to do I showed you what risk management really is and how it can be helpful and how it can make you grow in the long term. I'm gonna give a trading plan in a few videos later, like a big trading plan on how you can use risk management and money management to go big in the future, in the long term. Now, in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to do risk management. So, how to really do risk management? All right. Now, it's pretty simple. Most people struggle with this because they don't know and they've been taught the wrong way. The first step to do is stop counting pips. Now, I know this sounds weird. Most people won't teach you this. This sounds really weird, but the reality is, as soon as you start counting pips in this way, you're gonna struggle with the money management of your account. Let's say you have $500 or say $1,000 account. Most people I know start trading. They take a trade, think I'm gonna do one lot. I'm gonna do say or say half a lot. Just saying. Or let's say 0.10 lot size. All right, and I'm gonna risk 25 pips. Now, this is how most people trade, alright? However, they don't realize how much they're risking, alright? Or let's say 0.15, that'd be better, yeah. So, and they don't know how much they're risking. Can you tell me how much you're risking? No, you don't know. Nobody knows. The people who are taking this trade, they don't know how. They just think I'm gonna take the next 10 trades. Next 10 trades I'll take with a 0.20 lot size. That's how they do the risk management, which is wrong, which is super wrong. What you have to do is understand how much you're risking. Even before you take a trade, you must know how much you're gonna risk. For me personally, every time I take a trade, I already know how much I'm risking. Suppose you have a $1,000 account, alright? $1,000 account, and you're gonna risk 3% of the account. Let's say 3%, just for the sake of it, 3% of the account. And $1,000 account, you're gonna risk 3% of the account, and the risk reward is 1:5. All right. Now what you do is you take a trade, and you risk 1,000 into 3% equals $30. All right. $30. Now, you know you're risking $30 every time you're going in a trade. That means you also know your reward. That means if you win, $30 risk and reward equals 5 times equals $150. So every time you win, you know you're gonna win $150, and every time you lose, you're gonna lose $30. Now this is how you're supposed to do it. Now how do you do it? You go to Google every time you go to Google and write down position size calculator. Alright, you go in there, you enter MyFXBook position size calculator, and you wait for it to load. Then you fill in what's going on down here, right? Your account currency, your account size, which is say $1,000 just for this example, your risk ratio 3%, or you can also use the switch to money and write down 30 USD. I'm gonna use the risk percentage, and then you write down the stop loss. Say we have a 20 pip stop loss, all right? And then you select the pair. Suppose that now this is the key part. When you're trading you on a USD account and your end of the pair is USD, it's gonna be really simple to understand. It's 0.15. But as soon as you change the pair, because your broker is gonna convert the money, your broker converts the currencies, alright? So this is why the lot size matters. Most people don't understand and keep on doing the same lot size every time, but this is why it matters. So you gotta do, say, like if it's GA, GBPAUD, it turns into 0.194. You are doing more 0.4 lot sizes, whereas you were doing 0.15 when it came to USD, right? So, and in Canadian dollars, again, you're different. And say, NZD dollars, NZD, you're again different. So this matters a lot, and this is why you have to use this position size calculator, because you must risk a specific amount every time. You cannot go on and just do lot sizes every time, because what's gonna happen is, if you keep on doing that, sometimes you're gonna risk $10, sometimes $12, sometimes $16, and you won't know what you're doing. You're just spamming the lot sizes even though you don't know what how much you're risking. So this is really important to understand, and that's pretty much how you do it. Also, if you don't know, if you don't have this, if you cannot always get on this and you're on your phone, there is this app called Steno, which is a really nice app for this. Steno, I'm gonna write down for you. Steno, right? So you can download the app as well. It's very nice. It's helpful a lot, and that's pretty much it. And I'm not sure if I have anything more to say, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you think about it, you must understand this, how you're doing it, and let's say, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Also one more thing you must understand and must actually keep it in your psychology. It helps your psychology is try to look at your account in the perspective of percentage and not money or pips. So let's say your account is $1,000. When you win and you go say $1,150, because 5 times, so try to look at it this way, that you are up 15% of your account. All right, don't look at it as I'm $150 up of my account. Try to look at 15% of your account. Now if you're down say $970 from $1,000, so then think of it that I'm 3% minus 3% down of my account. Don't think of it in the different way that I'm down $30, because in that way your psychology, your brain's gonna think I need to make that money back. No, you don't. You just gotta take another trade and it's gonna come back. Don't worry about it, because the risk management is important, and this looking at your account in percentage wise helps a lot. I cannot stress this enough. A lot. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next video. I hope it helps. I'm gonna keep another session, and I'm gonna try and do more and more sessions based on these in the future. And thank you. Do follow me on Instagram, and see you in the next video.